It's super relaxed atmosphere, so it feels more like a family outing or outing with friends. There's not too many people on the boat, and it's a tiki boat, and people get dressed up. I think it just makes everything a little bit more euphoric. Howells, yeah. Well, I've been a fan of his, an admirer, and I hardly got to hear him, so I finally invited him to play with me, and I finally got to hear him more ever since. I just love playing with him, and he's like one of my favorite DJ colleagues, definitely.